now they'll touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel and a video with a difference, not the normal repairs on motorcycles or ATVs. This is me sharing with you the unboxing of a Weber 2000 gas barbecue. And these barbecues are well known in New Zealand as one of the best, if not the best, barbecues available on the market. So let's take a look and see what I got for Christmas. Here we go. We're going to need a knife. Yes! Jeez. There could be blood. Golly gosh. Right, I've moved benches to give you a better view of what's inside. Let's have a look. You're seeing this before I do. Jeez. Oh my word. Well, that looks like the main pan. Excellent stuff. Or the lid. Could be the lid. That's the lid. Brilliant. What else have we got? Ooh, look at these. Like the side trays. Oh, that's all part of the main thing. Brilliant. Okay, so what else have we got? A little catchment tray and a holder for it. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Ooh, where's my knife? Sing! Perfect. Right, we'll need that. Golly, that was easy, wasn't it? It's my owner's kit. This kit contains important information for using and maintaining your Bbq barbecue. Please save this information for future reference. Oh, got some reading to do now. Jeez. Okay, well, I've got to lift that out, and obviously this is where all the gas comes out, look. Cool. Never had a gas barbecue before. In fact, I might even show you my old barbecue that I even made. Oh, it's got the gas pipe. That's what I want. Perfect. I need to get a gas bottle later on. Right, what else is there? Well, there's still some more stuff. Get rid of that. Don't need that anymore. Poor workshop. Handle. And some other stuff. Jeez, so much packaging. It is very well packed, I must admit. Okay, what's next? That. Jeez. I'll get rid of all this. Could have survived a zombie apocalypse with this box, couldn't it? And those are the two trays, aren't they? So the two griddles, we call those in England. So we'll have those out of there. Right, that's one. The other one. And I think that's about it for this box. It is! Right, so we'll get rid of that. Put that back in there. Don't need that anymore. Right, next box. Okay, let's take a look. The extra stuff that Ford gave me. Have a Weber barbecue on us, says Ford. Right, well I can do that. Let's look inside it. Oh my word, look at this. we've got a cover to go on the barbecue. Brilliant. Although I'll definitely be keeping it inside. What else have we got? Let's get rid of that. Oh, what a bloody good wire brush that is. I'm sure I can find a use for that inside the workshop. And that's for cleaning the griddles. That'll be very useful. And some tools to cook the steaks with. Premium tool set. Spatula and some stainless steel tongs. Bloody hell. All sorts of gear in here. Right, let's get rid of that. And now, the stand. Right, well. Maybe I can lift that out of the box actually. Come on. Box in a box. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, Gromit. We'll just destroy that one. That's what I like it. Right, let's see what else we've got in here. Ding! Holy moly! Well, it's plastic. Okay, I can cut with that. Destructions. Super. More cardboard. And lots of pieces in plastic. Okay, maybe a side or something. It's all plastic. Well, it ain't gonna rust, that's for sure. One of the big problems of barbecues here in New Zealand is they tend to rust really quick. Alright, let's get rid of that. So that looks like, what was that piece? Looks like an end piece, doesn't it? Yes, the wheels will go in there, look. I like things with wheels. Right, some kind of brackety holdy thing. Those are obviously the wheels. And the big handle that goes on the end for pulling it around. Super. And a mud flap. Great. Lots of screws, which will not be metric thread. Bastards. And the other end. Perfect. This is the non-wheeled ends. These are the feet. Put down to the ground. Okay. Wheel inserts, or UFOs, or frisbees. Mini frisbees, that's what they are, isn't it? Mum like the dog will like these. By the looks of it, they just click on. Either that or there's 1,000 screws. Jeez. Okay, get rid of that. More cardboard. And a shelf. That'll be the shelf that goes underneath. I think. I'm only guessing. We'll find out. Okay, and a thing that says this side up. Some kind of heat guard, maybe? Don't know. And an axle. I know what an axle looks like. Brilliant stuff. Right. So many parts! I've got bits all over the workshop, look. Over there and on that bench there as well. I thought, rather than just do the man thing and try and put it together, you know, following my nose, gut instinct, I thought I'd better look in that envelope and see what there is. Well, first of all, we got a DVD. Weber Basics, look at that. I have no idea what's on there. I'll have a little look. We've got a warranty card, obviously very important. And a little book saying how to cook, Andy. Well, that actually could be quite useful to me because I have no idea. Beans on toast is my speciality. And then we also got, somewhere, here we are, look. We got The Bbq Owner's Guide. I mean, this is pretty posh. I never made an owner's guide for the one that I made. And in there on page 5, it starts off with all the assembly stuff. So I've got my work cut out this morning. I'm supposed to be doing some more steel beams for the workshop, these big yellow beams, but I just have to wait till later on because we've got some friends coming around tonight for a barbecue, so we get to use it. And of course, that's the assembly instructions for the stand. And the stand, so I'm told, is a separate part. You buy this separately. So I really have been spoilt this Christmas, haven't I? Ooh, before I forget, I need to remove the gas pipe from the barbecue so I can send Mrs. Mechanic off to go and get a gas bottle with the right fitting on it. Let's do that first. Right, what looks like, probably isn't even metric, a 16 and a 19. I'm hoping it's a normal thread. Oh, it is. Look at that. Bloody good. Right, so we'll undo that. Perfect. Now, Mrs. Mechanic can get off and go and get the gas bowl. Right, so Fred, let's give this a go. See where we end up. Well, that was easy. Lid. Ah, handle. That's what I want. What's these? Ooh, it looks like it's the twizzly knob for the gas. Perfect. Right, let's get these out first. Put these on. A couple of R clips and 2 pins. Right. Pin. Jeez, that's not on there. Not particularly secure. Okay. And number 2, R clip. That one's not so bad. Right, we should be able to open that now. Fantastic. Now, next one. What's next? Handle on the lid. Right, one handle. And the spacers go with the handle. Look, it's not metric. What the hell? The little shoulder goes in there. Look. Right. Fancy not using metric stuff this day and age. Okay. Ah, that didn't work. I know what to do. Stick that through there, stick that on there, give it a twizzle. Which is the right way up, which is good. Yep, that's in. Next one. Need more arms. Cool. And now all we need is a screwdriver. Done. Next, cooking on gas, literally. Okay, 5. Ah, that's an extra for the posher one. Jeez. All right, what's next? Is that it? What about this? Oh, there, look. Stick that on the end. Okay. We do that. Now, line that up. There you go. Push it in, get gas. don't push it in, don't get gas. I'm a child, I won't push it in. Adult, I know how to push it in, get gas. Pretty easily knocked though, isn't it? Excellent. I'm sure we've missed something else out. The little tray, look. Got to stick the little tray underneath. Ooh, look, very posh. Easy. Right, I think we're there. We are. That's it, assembled. Perfect. Barbecue. And do they fold in and stay in like that, look? Oh, I like that. Good job, Weber. Well, that was bloody easy, wasn't it? That's the barbecue all done. Next job, the trolley. Right, let's see what joyous fun we've got in here. Oh yeah, always grasp the cart handle when moving the cart and grill. We can do that. I think it means don't pull the grill itself. Okay. What have we got? Well, there are all the bits we pulled out. There's the UFOs, wheels, axle. 8. Was that a shelf? Bottom rack. Yeah, it's a shelf. 6. Cylinder bracket assembly. Oh, you hang the cylinder off that. Cool. Okay. Right. Step 1. Look at all the parts. Okay. Step 2. Look at the wheels. Step 3. Make sure you've got 8 bolts. We can do that. 8 bolts. Right, let's have a look. Oh, and 2 clips. 1, 2, 4, 8. Cool. Okay, we've got 8 of those. Don't lose any. And we need a screwdriver. We've got one of those. Okay, so first job is to snap an R-clip onto the axle. Okay, where's the axle? Right, R-clip on axle. Easy, done. What's the next step? Let's have a look. Put a wheel. Oh, I see. The UFOs go on after you've fitted the axle, the wheels and everything. Alright, do that. Right. Thread that through there. Perfect. And now we need the end of the machine, the trolley, that accepts the axle. Right, so thread, let's get this axle threaded through. Oh, pretty good. Right, so where's the other wheel? There we go. And the last of the R-clips. Wonderful stuff. Right, that goes on there. And then we need some UFOs. UFOs into the wheels, they'll just clip in by the looks of it. Bloody hell. Far too easy. Somebody's actually thought about this. It's a good job. Brilliant. Right, well, what's next? Right, let's have a look. Next page. Ah, the shelf. Well, that was perfectly positioned, wasn't it? And the gas bottle bracket. Okay, well, we can do this while we're here, can't we? So we've got to flick that around. That's right, so the strap can stay there. And, yeah, are we the right way up though? That's the question. Jeez, it's not that easy to see on the diagram. I think we are. Yes, it needs to go in. Something like that. Pull the prongs in. Do they go underneath? Yes, they do. Holy moly. Alright, that's one. Two. Bloody hell, that was easy. Look right. It is right. Well, sorted. Ah, right, where's the mud flap? We need the mud flap next. Okay, one mud flap, which has to go... Is it front to back? No, it's the same. So it needs to go in, bend it a little bit, and it should just clip into place. We can do that. It's pretty simple. So these bits just drop into the notches, don't they? That's it! That's right, you see there, look. Clip, clip, clip. Job done. Okay, what's next? Ooh, it's getting big now, look. So now we're going to clip the rack into the end with no wheels, and then clip it into the end with wheels. Sounds easy enough. There it goes. Oh, and take note that the gas bottle bracket is on the side with the wheel to the right, because we're bound to get it wrong. Right, so that has to go. Yeah, it's a bit flimsy, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Okay, other end. That, I believe, should just drop straight to there. Pretty simple. And there's a little bit here has to go underneath that plastic. That's it. Right. This is not getting my beams done, but it will taste nice tonight. Okay, next job. Done that bit. Check, looks good to me. Ooh, excellent. We get to put these top pieces in. That'll sturdy the whole thing up. Okay, so there's two of those. That's that one. And that one. And the different one's got some little hooks on it. So by the looks of it, the hooks go on the side when the rear wheel, when the wheel's to the right hand side for that one. And there's some bolts. Some non-metric bolts. I keep saying this. We need two of them. Looks too simple. God, it really was as simple, wasn't it? Alright, so we need two bolts. It said two bolts, so we'll put two bolts in. Hey, by gum. And I'm guessing two at the other end as well. Oh yeah. We're getting there. We can't be far off now, to be honest. There's not too many bits left. Too easy. Holy shit, that was a Kiwi slang there. Right. Okay, what's next? Well, we've just done that one, and now we need to do the other side. Same again, Sam. Hopefully, dokely. Oh, come on. There we go. Right. Tell you what, this is a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And I think if you end up buying a Bbq barbecue, not a sponsor by the way, you'll probably find the same thing. I dread assembling somebody else's design, honestly. But this has turned out to be pretty easy. The diagrams are great. That's that one. Okay, last two bolts going in. Come on, you can do it. That's one. Oh, that's a bit easier. Two. So close. just taste those steaks tonight already. Mouth is starting to water. There we go. Right, what's next? Okay, we're on page 11 already. We're cooking on gas. I think I've used that already, haven't I? Okay, now. Oh, crap. Made a mistake. Here, look, we've screwed up all four ends. Shouldn't do that. We've got to slide in that big piece of steel this side up. Remember that one? So I'll just unscrew one end, the non-wheel end, and then put that in. And then once that's in, we get to screw up the other end and then put the handle on. Okay, jeez. Backtrack. Okay, well, I think it just slides down there. Those little tabs lock in at that end. I say lock in the latest sense. Oh, I think we're about there. Perfect. Right, pop those screws back in again now. Fancy not reading the instructions properly. Let's face it, we all do it, don't we? You make assumptions and jump the gun. I blame these not being metric threads. Okay, up. What's going on there? Oh, that's it. Weren't quite lined up. Done. You know what? I've done it again. I've put all four screws in and it said in the instruction book only to fit, let's have a little look, only fit the bottom two. Because the top two are used to hold the handle on as well. What a donkey. Making one mistake. Well, that's excusable. Making two mistakes on the same bit. Mr. Young. Okay, is it handed? No, it's handled. So that goes in there. That goes on there. I was getting a bit concerned we were running out of fasteners, but there was still more things to fasten, so to speak. Oh, that's upside down. It is handed. It is orientatable. It's moulded different, so that must go on that way around. There we go. It didn't say that in the instructions. Common sense though. Right. Come on, threads, you can do it. Oh yeah. Fantastic stuff. Oh, we really can't be far now. Okay, we're running out of pages. So we've just done the handle. Ah, perfect. Smiley face with the Weber on the outside. That's this plasticky hold panel, isn't it? Needs to go in. How does it hold it? Oh, it just clips in, look. Well, that's pretty damned easy. And then we get to put the barbecue on the trolley. Super. Right, that's next. Right. Get all the dust off. Most of the dust. It's pretty static at the moment, so it's collecting all the dust in the workshop. Right, so that goes through there with the Weber on the outside. It sits behind the gas bottle bracket. Honestly, I have no idea why we came in from this side, really. The instructions said. Right, that's soldered in place. We're going to clip it on those silly little clips now. Right, so that has to go down. I've got torches, cameras and all sorts in the way. has to go down that groove there. Well, looks at it, and then clip over that little lug. Something like that, but in the groove, so, jeez, honestly. There we go, that's one. You know what, I reckon you could have come in from the other side. You really don't have to come in from the far side. Okay. There we go, put it in. That's it. Right, one more to go. I must admit, this is probably the bit I'm not a fan of. Give me some nuts and bolts any day of the week. Oh, God. There we go. What the hell? That's not right, Weber, surely. That's going to flap in the wind. That cannot be right. Well, front view, yes, we've done all that. We've got Mr. Weber logo on the outside, so we've got a smiley face. We put it in from the wrong side, in my opinion anyway. We could have done it from the far side. Okay, yeah, we did all the little tabs. They're all in correctly. You saw that on camera. And that's it. It just says to fit the barbecue on top. That one thing on this barbecue, which one is it? There, look. This Weber cart. Even on there it looks slack. See the radius? It's not flat. What the hell? I think it needs some cable ties. I'll fix it. So we better follow the instructions properly. So the feet should sit on these little plastic ledges on the inside. Okay, and we've got the handle on the same side as the logo. Okay, and we've got an unhappy face there. Want to make sure that the hose is free to the outside. Now that's easy. Anything else? Fit the gas bottle. Well, I haven't got that yet. Bloody good. Oh yeah. Very happy with that. So there we go, it's done. One Weber 2000 gas barbecue and trolley stand all built up. Did make a couple of mistakes, however. On reflection, the bottom tray, you know, the little sort of shelf thing, I put it in the wrong way around. So you'll find that out if you follow this video as instructions. Then you'll come across the same problem that I did. I did put it in the wrong way around. Didn't spot it on the picture. It just seemed to be the right way when I did it. So my apologies for that. And as a result, the little gas bottle holder clip was in the wrong way. But it was easily fixed. I was able to unclip it in situ, thread it out, turn it around, put it back in, clip it back down, put the gas bottle piece in. Job's a carrot. Other than that, went really, really well. And that really flimsy sort of wind guard seemed to fit a lot better once the tray was in correctly. But I did put 4 zip ties on there. Let's take a quick look around. Here we go. What a machine! Oh, here we go, look. So looking down, this mesh thing was really pissing me off, but once you got this tray in the bottom with the radius, with the rear wheel, with the wheels, you know, on the right hand side, it wasn't actually an issue. You could just push it in, and I just put 4 little tiny cable ties so it didn't flap in the wind. That's the only change that I've made, and that really was just my own preference. It came out really well. Let's take a little look at that gas bottle mount again, because in my opinion it wasn't actually all that clear in the instructions. So hopefully you'll watch this video before you make a start. There you go, look, you see, so the radius is on the same side as the mesh. This side here is straight across. And then this little gas bottle clamp clips in really well and stays put. Yeah, I think it's bloody good. awesome Christmas present. Very happy with this. Because in all honesty, oh, there's some specs for you as well, look. In all honesty, I would never have got round to buying one. I prefer to buy tools and stuff for the workshop, as my wife well knows. Right, all we need now is some friends to come down so we can use it, and that's going to happen tonight. So I'll get these utensils unpacked and get them ready, get the cover out just to go on when we've all finished. And of course we've got the wire brush. So, only a few hours to go, we'll get it fired up, we'll get some steaks on, and I'll see you a bit later on. This gas bottle is in! See if it's either going to work or explode into a million pieces. Right, so we'll turn on the gas, press the fire button. Oh yeah! Look at that! Look, we're one step away for some gorgeous steak. Jeez, it's hot over here. Right, that's it. It's time to get some food put on. I can see a steak sandwich going on tomorrow. I want to cook. Am I cooking all of these or not?
Well, we may as well.
You sure?
Yeah,
well, this is not for me now.
That's you sorted. That's you sorted, Craig.
Yeah.
Like chicken on.
There you go, wouldn't it? So this barbecue here, what you want is a new wire brush when you finish it, like a soft wire brush.
Oh, hang on. It came with one.
I did?
I got everything with it. It was great.
Ah, yeah, because it'll just come off clean just when you've done it.
Look at that.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And it'll just come off and it'll be spotless, eh? And it don't rust.
So there you go, building up the Weber barbecue and stand. Had a great meal last night. I won't say it was fantastic because I'm not the world's best cook, but it was certainly no fault of the Weber barbecue that the steaks came out a little bit dry. I did read through that little pamphlet that came with it, telling men how to cook, which I thought was very useful on a barbecue. And it did stress many times to always have the lid down when you're cooking, so you know, they say it keeps the juices in the meat a lot better and allows for, what was it? Natural thermal flow, or natural convection, that was it. So bear that in mind if you're going to get a Weber or any kind of barbecue with a lid. Cook with the lid down, which goes against all the publicity and marketing material, because you always see them with the lids up, don't you, while they're cooking. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video of unboxing this Weber barbecue. I certainly did, but I did enjoy the steak a lot more. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on that, and you can tick the box and turn on notifications, and our friends at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. You'll also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Feel free to communicate through any of those portals. My email address is also down the bottom, so you can flick me an email if you like. Please don't send me any questions about Weber barbecues, because I really don't know a lot about them. I got given this for Christmas. I've assembled it, or unboxed it, assembled it for you to help show you what they're all about. And maybe in the future, in a couple of years' time, I might do a bit of feedback on how we're getting on with it. I don't use a barbecue very often, so it would need to be a reasonable time period to get a fair few uses out of it. But last night was pretty good, had no problems. Although I did say that your steak wouldn't stick to the griddle, and if it did, just to keep cooking it, because it will stop sticking to the griddle at some point. My steak did not stop sticking to the griddle. I had to peel it off, but I don't know, maybe I did something wrong, who knows. What else? Oh, there's a Patreon page, you can click on that, and on the Patreon page you can read all about the history of the channel and how it came to be, up and coming projects, and of course the profiles of all the tool girls. And there's loads of pictures there you can download and stuff. And finally, there's a PayPal icon on the homepage of the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Should you wish to donate, even $1, a couple of dollars, always helps to keep the channel going and to allow us to buy resources and other bits and pieces to keep bringing you these awesome videos. Alright crew, well, until next time, cheers, over and out. We get the flap.
You'll be there.
Oh,